Hello Levelore Field Sales Team, my name is Tiffany LaBar, and today we're going to talk about installing the new extended product guide on the Smart Machine. In certain stores that carry our new premium corded and cordless faux wood and real wood blinds, we are experiencing some issues where some of the packaging and the valance may not be getting cut all the way through on the machine saw blade when being cut in the box. The solution to that is installing this new extended product guide. So we're going to walk through that today. Now, each of you need to print this PowerPoint that will walk you through the tools that are needed for this process, as well as each step by step. So the tools that you're going to need for installing the product guide will be a box cutter, as well as a 5/32 Allen wrench or a number 5 metric Allen wrench. So we'll set those here. Using my PowerPoint, the first step is going to be examining the extended product guide. Now what you want to examine is going to be the exposed area of the extended product guide once installed, which is this lip here. So you're going to examine this for any sharp edges or burrs. Now there are pictures of an unacceptable burr or sharp edge in your PowerPoint to reference. So just use your best judgment. We certainly want to consider safety. So after you've examined this, the next step is going to be prepping your machine drawer for installation. So this is where you will need the number 5 metric Allen wrench or the 5/32 Allen wrench tool. As you can see in my drawer, there are 5 screws that will need to be removed. Now I've already removed 4 of the 5 just for our video today. But one thing to note is that underneath your warning label here, there is actually a screw that will need to be removed. That's where using your box cutter to cut a small incision in this warning label is going to be so helpful. So take that box cutter and cut out your circle so you can access that screw. Now once you've used your Allen wrench to remove all screws, you're going to set them aside. One thing to note, on some of our first installed Smart Machines, some of the screws in your drawer may not be this length. If you are installing on one of those stores, you will be sent the long length of screw needed with your extended product guide. So we have already determined that for you, and you'll get extras of these screws. After you've removed the screws, you will want to go ahead and install the extended product guide. Now, you may need another set of hands to help with this installation. Essentially what you're going to do is you're going to install these extension pieces on the product guide underneath this top ledge in the drawer, so these holes align with these middle 3 screw holes. So all you will do is raise this top ridge here in your drawer and install this between the gray rollers and this board. So you can see how this installs. Just like so. Now, one thing you want to note, and we'll show here as an example, you want to make sure that the hole in the guide lines up with the hole so you can reinsert the screw. The next step is going to be reinstalling each screw so that they are tight and flush to the drawer. So for time purposes, we won't do that for each screw. The last step is to make or to show and test the actual product packaging in your Smart Machine drawer. No test cuts are necessary. There will be a testing phase where your associates do utilize this machine with the product guide, but just for your own reference, you will take the new premium packaging and insert it into your drawer as if you were cutting it. You will simply just slide that new premium packaging back and forth to ensure that it fits perfectly underneath your new extended product guide. As you are installing the product guide, if you have any concerns or feedback, please contact Micah Strife directly, and his contact information is also found in the PowerPoint. Thank you for your time, and please reach out with questions or concerns.